Kaibigan, it's me Misha. Welcome to the Cherry Bomb series dedicated to coffee with a focus on brew, bean, bar, barista, and producer. Expect brew guides, product reviews, coffee crawls, and more. For this episode, we'll be making cold brew. Today's brew method of choice will be using our AeroPress. Today's beans will be from Nylon, Singapore. First, we turn on our scale. Then we'll be using our beans. That's how it looks like. Really good. I'll just make it 25. Okay. So that's 12 grams in. There, perfect. 25 grams. Now we're going to prepare our AeroPress. We also have our filters, so I place 2 filters right there. Tap water or cold water if you prefer. You don't have to use hot boiling water. I also have the stirrer from the AeroPress pack. We'll be placing the beans here. We will be leveling the bed. I'll be using the inverted method. So as you can see, that's how I'll be using it. We will turn on our scale and start pouring our water. We'll be pouring 50 grams. Just mix it all in. I'll be filling up the rest. I'll just cover it now. The prep is done. Now it's just the waiting game. So we'll be steeping our coffee for 12 to 16 hours. Overnight if you prefer. You can put it in your refrigerator, or you can just set it aside in your pantry, and by tomorrow we'll see how this goes. The first time I tried this, everything spilled out from the refrigerator, so now it's just here where it's safe and sound. It's been 23 hours since we steeped this cold brew, and now we're ready to plunge. And we're ready to serve. Part of this series is the taste test. So cheers to y'all. Not bad, not bad. Hope you guys try it out and let me know what you think.